Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of buffering on the application of TikTok. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this application of TikTok and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.